All right, welcome back everyone. Okay, so we now have an image. What can we do to this image? Well, what do you do with images mostly? Well, the simple thing is that you actually make them into links. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that alt here. And so how do we add in a link? Okay, remember, it's the exact same way. Equals pretty simple, right? But remember the A tag, you need to close it as well. So you just put that right here. Okay? And as you can see, when you move your mouse over, it goes there. And again, it doesn't quite work in this editor, but that would actually put the link there. And that's actually pretty simple. Now, there's one other thing that you can actually do with this. You can actually put a border around this, and you can say it equals 1. And you can see that there's a border now around the image. And you can make this 10, or you can make it 100, and that's a huge border, as you can see. But basically, you can add in a border if you want. I don't like to do it, but you can if you want to. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next